Lastminute.com review. Watch before using. Most people think booking travel at the last minute is always expensive, but you won't believe what happens next when unsold seats and rooms suddenly drop in price. Lastminute.com is a travel booking website that specializes in discounted flights, hotels, vacation packages, and car rentals, often close to the travel date. It is designed for spontaneous travelers and flexible planners. The surprising truth about lastminute.com is that airlines and hotels would rather sell at a discount than leave seats and rooms empty. This creates opportunities for major savings, sometimes hundreds of dollars less than regular prices. Most people get this wrong. They assume every deal is perfect without reading the fine print. Some discounted bookings may be non-refundable or have limited changes allowed, so flexibility is key. Lastminute.com is best for travelers who can adapt their dates, destinations, and hotel preferences to chase lower prices. The surprising truth is that flexibility can unlock luxury at budget prices. Subscribe for more honest travel platform reviews that help you explore for less.